Imagine a special kind of notebook. This isn't just any notebook, it's a digital one, but it has a magical quality. Once you write something in it, you can never erase it. This notebook isn't kept in one place. Exact copies are shared across a vast network of computers. When someone adds a new entry, it updates for everyone at once. That shared, unchangeable digital notebook is blockchain. It's simple, with powerful implications. A secure way to record information, and a transparent one, creating a new foundation for trust. The digital ledger is made of blocks. Each block holds a list of transactions and other pieces of information. Think of a block like a single page in that notebook. When the page is full, it gets added to the chain. The chain grows continuously, blocks linked in order. Each new block is cryptographically linked to the previous one. That link acts like a digital seal. Tamper with an old block and you break the seal. Sees the problem immediately. That makes the system highly resistant to fraud. Today, trust often relies on a middleman. Blockchain offers a different path. Direct interactions with trust in technology and its shared record. Transparency in a supply chain means having a clear, unobstructed view of a product's journey, where it came from, who handled it, where it is right now, and what conditions it has been kept in. In today's global economy, supply chains are long and fragmented, crossing many borders and companies. This complexity creates dark spots where information is lost or unreliable. Blockchain shines a bright light into these dark spots. A single shared record that all participants can see creates unprecedented visibility. Every step, from the farm to the fork, can be recorded for all to see. Imagine buying premium beans labeled organic from a specific Colombian farm. But how can you be sure? The farmer records the harvest and organic certification. The shipper records pickup, customs records border crossing. The roaster records roast date. Each event is a transaction added as a block. Scan a QR code to see the entire verified history yourself. Not a promise, but provable truth. Tracking on-chain makes fakes nearly impossible to introduce without being flagged. Products without verifiable histories are suspect. Brands and consumers are protected. The world of logistics runs on paperwork, bills of lading, customs declarations, invoices, proofs of delivery. The list is long and cumbersome. Paper and siloed emails create friction. Documents get lost, contain errors, or take days to process. Delays stack up at ports, warehouses, and borders. The costs are massive. Storage, fuel, missed windows. Blockchain replaces the mountain of paperwork with smart contracts. A self-executing agreement written in code. Actions trigger automatically when conditions are met. For example, payment releases the moment arrival is confirmed by GPS and a receiving signature. No waiting for invoices or manual approvals. The process is instant and automatic. Customs can see origin, contents, and journey before docking, granting near-instant clearance. One source of truth eliminates reconciliation and dispute cycles. No ambiguity about when it was sent, what was inside, or when it arrived. Operations become fast and collaborative. Reduced dwell time is a massive gain for global trade. Security is paramount. Supply chains move goods and information. Centralized databases are prime targets. One breach can expose partners, cause theft, and break trust. Fragmentation creates weak points. Blockchain distributes data across many computers. Decentralization. Hacking thousands at once is practically impossible. No single point of failure. Cryptography encrypts entries and links them via complex puzzles, creating an immutable chain. Change a past record and you break the link. Everyone sees it and rejects the tampered ledger. The record is essentially tamper-proof. Permissioned blockchains grant granular access. A customs officer can see contents, not private financial terms. Participants get keys unlocking only relevant data. Openness and privacy, both preserved. A fundamentally more secure architecture for logistics, security, integrity, and resilience by design. The idea of blockchain in logistics is not just theory, it is happening now. Major companies are piloting and implementing it. TradeLens, co-developed by IBM and Myers, aims to digitize the global supply chain. It brings shipping lines, ports, customs, and cargo owners together. Replacing paper with a secure, transparent journey record. Authorized participants see real-time location, customs status, and handling instructions in one place. Results: reduced transit times, fewer delays, better partner communication. Walmart tracks produce with food trust, cutting trace time from a week to seconds. Faster action prevents illness and protects consumers. De Beers Traeger gives each diamond a unique digital record, from mine to market. Every stage is tracked and certified, ensuring authenticity and conflict-free origins. Blockchain is already building more transparent, efficient, and trustworthy supply chains. The traditional model is a series of disconnected links. Each participant runs their own records, in their own silo. Information passes manually and sequentially. Errors ripple into incorrect shipments and billing disputes. Everyone has a different version of reality, and time is wasted reconciling. The system is slow, inefficient, and opaque. Now imagine a shared, decentralized network with a universal ledger. Events are recorded once, visible to all instantly. No delay, no ambiguity, everyone works from the same playbook. Manual processes become automated and instant. Auditing is simple and operations become predictive. A fundamental shift to efficiency, transparency, and trust. Efficiency, transparency, trust. Automating paperwork and minimizing delays cuts costs dramatically. Less reconciliation, smarter routing, quicker deliveries, saving scale across fuel, storage, and brand protection. Live data enables faster decisions and proactive reroutes. Trust grows when everyone sees the same truth. Scan and see when and where your food was sourced. Assurance that medications are genuine. Transparency empowers healthy, safe, ethical, sustainable choices. Better service, fewer stockouts, reliable shipping. Long-term efficiencies lead to competitive prices. Transparent, secure, efficient, businesses thrive, and customers get safer, more trustworthy products and services. As demand for speed and transparency grows, blockchain becomes foundational infrastructure. It enables a truly digital, automated, intelligent supply chain. It finally solves multi-party information sharing at scale. Autonomous vehicles and drones must communicate securely and verifiably. Blockchain is the trusted ledger for machine transactions, no human needed, paving the way for fully autonomous logistics. Sustainability claims become provable, driving real change. Track materials through production recycling and reuse for responsible resource management. A new operating system for global commerce, fast, secure, and transparent. More than an upgrade, a revolution towards smarter, safer, more efficient, and more trustworthy transport. In conclusion, blockchain is reshaping logistics and transportation. A simple idea, a shared, immutable ledger powering a new kind of trust. It solves inefficiency, opacity, and insecurity. Real deployments show practical, scalable value today, from fragmented past to unified, real-time networks. The advantages are undeniable. It unlocks autonomous logistics, secure device communication, and sustainable circular flows. Trust shifts from institutions to a shared, transparent, incorruptible network. A new era where goods and information move with equal speed, security, and integrity. The journey has begun, and the destination is clear.